everybody, welcome to another edition of Jame's Jam. I'm Jame. This is my jam. And I have a big old box here. This is my jam. Each year there's a group of us that get together and do Secret Santa. And this is my Secret Santa unboxing. So I'm super excited. I know who got me because it said on the return address label, and then there was one other telltale thing here. I like the two cat paws. I know who got me. The person who got me was David. So if you don't already watch his channel, gotta go over to his channel, see who got his name and what they got him. And yeah, gotta watch everybody's channels to find out what everybody got everybody, if you want. I mean, so I'm really excited. I'm never good at opening things, and I'm way out of practice. So we're gonna just bear with me as the cameraman keeps shaking his head no.
Well, it's like every day is the first day with you with opening something. You learn nothing.
Right? In my defense,
No.
Gosh,
There is no defense.
This is kind of a weird box. It's almost like the Coach boxes they have where you gotta open it up and then pull the sides out like. Let's see. If tampered with, please accept with conditions. I'm tampered with it, boy. Ah,
Holy cow.
I got it.
A minute 50 in and she's finally got it open. That might be a new record.
Right? Now, it's got... Okay, I'm just ripping it.
Be careful. Oh, you're not supposed to be ripping things.
I can rip it, I just can't lift it. Okay, let's see here. Okay, this was probably supposed to be opened a certain way. Okay, so there's Christmas packaging, like wrapping there. I'm just gonna set this down right now and get the card, because you should always open the card first, unless you don't find it first. Okay, Jame, XO Secret Santa. And I already know who it is. Joy. Wishing you and your entire family a very Merry Christmas, Jame. Hope this season is as magical as you are. Oh, yes. I'm so fortunate to have you as a friend. I agree. Same here. Love, David. So, okay, let's see. I'm going to use this now as like a table. Look at this. Holy cats. There's so much fun stuff in here. Okay. Let's see. Oh, I love this. Oh, look at this little tote. He's shown these before. He gets these like from LL Bean. Look at this. Is this like the cutest thing ever? Oh my gosh, I love this. I love this. I love when you show these on your channel. This little, and you can see the little LL Bean. What's it say? LL Bean, boat and tote. Oh, this is cute. With a little heart on the front. I love it. Oh man, oh my gosh, there's so many things here. Ring pops. Those are fun. Okay. This. Oh, look at this. It's a little balloon bag charm, and it's sparkly. It's got little like tassel and balls and stuff, and you can attach it with the hook or this type of thing.
The O-ring.
Is that sparkly?
Nice.
So pretty. I'm gonna put it right in the bag. Actually, I'm gonna put lots of stuff in the bag. Oh my gosh, there's more here. Okay. I like this wrapping paper too. Let's see. Suffocation hazard. Let's see. This one be Jame. It looks like an ornament. Oh, just a girl who loves books. It's a neat little ornament, and then it's got some thread here to use to put it up.
Nice.
Aw, that's so neat. If you are ever lost, you can find yourself here. Okay. This is really pretty. It looks like it. Oh, it's got like a protector on it here. Oh, wow. It's not what we have in life, it's who we have in our life. Let's look a little. How do you open it? Oh, you push it. Oh, it's a little mirror.
Nice.
I love this color.
I like a rose gold.
Yeah, that is super pretty. Thank you, David. Just gonna put that in there. Be careful. There's stuff here. Oh my gosh. A touch of charm. Okay. Kind of work behind me. Good thing that didn't say breakable. Somehow damaged. Oh, nice. It's a little book charm.
That's cute.
Storybook charm.
Is that the bracelet for the charm?
Fashion jewelry. Oh no, I asked for just a book charm.
Okay.
So he read my list.
Gotcha.
Okay, then this looks like a little, a fashion jewelry bracelet.
Okay.
Just try to show all the little oh, it's the Wizard of Oz stuff. Oh, wow. That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. 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 Yeah, I asked for a book charm because that's one of the things, you know, we could put down something that we wanted.
Sure.
That's something that I wanted. This is crazy. Okay. For when you need help getting home. Just gonna say something, but I'm not going to about that. It's like a reindeer. awesome little charms and things. I love it. Where's... Just watch me try to get this out. Like ruby red slippers.
Nice.
Yeah, and then also a little reindeer, Santa, and a Christmas tree.
Cool.
Just what I need help getting home. Look at those little slippers. Jeez, Louise. Okay. To ring in some holiday magic. These are like little bells. Look at. Yeah, they're little.
Ornament bells or?
Just, yeah.
Nice.
Gingerbread. A snowflake. Another gingerbread.
Awesome.
Oh, and a candy cane.
Very thoughtful.
I love it. He knows I love green and pink. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I love this. See how sparkly it is?
It's a big piece of candy.
It is. It's awesome. I love it. Oh, it's super soft. It's awesome. Thanks again, David. I just don't even know what to say here. Let's open this one. Oh, you had the power all along.
That's cute.
I love the Wizard of Oz. All right, and let's see. To add a little bit of heart to any porch, garden, or bag room. Okay. Something that I like. Break anything. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
That's pretty cool.
Oh, my Tin Woodsman. Oh. Look at.
He's pretty neat.
Oh my gosh. Oh, he's just my favorite. Oh my gosh, thank you. Oh, I love this. Oh my God. I mean, everything was nice, but oh, bestow my heart. Oh, I love the Tin Woodsman. This is perfect. This is, wow. Wow. I am totally in love. I am just in love. I just love it. Oh my gosh. Wow. 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 David, you did really good. Oh
You
my
nailed it,
gosh.
David.
Wow.
Nice work.
Yeah. Oh, such beautiful things. I'm just, I say it all the time, but the friendships that this channel has brought me has just been incredible. And, I mean, the gifts are nice, but the friendship's been the biggest gift of all, by far. And, you know, with everybody, some of the people that I grown closer to in our little groups, but even, you know, everyone out there that supports me and leaves nice comments. And I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful for this little community we have here on YouTube, and I just absolutely love it. I'm thinking this is probably going to be the last video that goes up before Christmas, so I do want to wish everybody a very Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I hope to be back to posting more normally again starting in January. Just thank you all for sticking by me this year. It means the world to me. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I will hopefully be back to putting out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to luxury and contemporary related handbags and small leather goods, things like that. Occasionally on Thursdays I do book related videos, and on Monday nights I do bag swaps where I swap from one bag into the other bag that I'm going to use and tell you a little bit about each. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. That's at James Jam as well, just JAME_S_Jam. Please make sure to watch David's video to see what he got, and everybody who's linked down below. See what everybody got, everybody else. I always think that's a lot of fun. Until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much, David. Merry Christmas.